When chips are out of stock, suppliers cannot supply enough goods, and customers cannot get their goods. Both parties are anxious and at a loss, so it is better to calm down and analyze how to find alternative products. When looking for alternative products, there may be situations where they are not fully compatible or where the performance is matched but the packaging is incorrect. This will require a change in the wiring, and it will take a lot of effort to replace the material. Today, I will outline several common methods for finding a replacement material without take a lot of effort. The first method is to replace the old version with the new version. Some models of chips have some upgrades with different development cycles, such as correcting or deleting redundant designs in terms of functionality. With more changes, the old products will be discontinued and replaced by new models with improved functionality. The following example will give you an idea. MC68HC908GP32CFB has been discontinued for a long time and has not been produced. The new replacement model is MC908GP32CFBE, which can completely replace the old model. However, the old model cannot generally replace the new model. Due to the fact that most new products have upgraded and iterated their functions, products developed on this basis may have some problems if they are used with old products. The second is to replace commercial-grade chips with industrial-grade chips. Industrial-grade or automotive-grade chips have higher temperature resistance than commercial-grade chips, so their performance is better and they can be used as a backward-compatible replacement. Many components have industrial and commercial grades of temperature resistance, even if they are not automotive grade. If the product you are missing is commercial grade, then congratulations, you can find an industrial grade one to replace it for emergency use. Let's take a look at a few examples. MC9S12XA256VAA. This model is industrial grade, with a temperature range of 40 degrees Celsius to 105 degrees Celsius. MC9S12XA256CAA, and this model is commercial grade, with a temperature range of 40 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the suffix VAA can replace CAA, but the lower temperature cannot replace the higher temperature, unless the product's operating environment does not need to reach the extreme temperature of 105 degrees Celsius. The third is to replace small memory with large memory. Components with small memory can also be replaced with components with larger memory. The chips in the same series have the same parameters and functions, including packaging, except for the memory. Therefore, there is no need to change the design. Let me give you an example. S9S12HA48J0CLL. The size of this model's flash is 48 KB. The model of S9S12HA32J0CLL has a flash size of 32 KB, so it can be replaced with a 48 KB chip. The only disadvantage is that chips with larger memory may cost more, but this is not necessarily the case in the volatile chip market.